If you need to change your Mailchimp password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your password safely and get back into your account with confidence. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account settings and personal profile options. After clicking the profile icon, choose Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you into your account profile area, where you can manage your personal information and security settings. Now scroll down the page until you find the password section. Mailchimp places the password controls lower on the profile page, so if you don't see it right away, keep scrolling until you locate the area for changing your password. When you see the Change Password section, click into it to begin updating your login details. At this point, Mailchimp should show you fields for entering your new password. Type in your new password carefully. Make sure it's strong and something you'll remember, but also secure enough to protect your account. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. This step is important because it helps make sure you didn't make any typing mistakes the first time. Once both password fields are filled out correctly, click Update to save the changes. Mailchimp will process the update, and your new password should now be active. If you run into a problem and can't change your password, there's one important thing to check. If you created your Mailchimp account using Google Sign-In, then your Mailchimp password may actually be managed through your Google account instead. In that case, you won't change it directly inside Mailchimp. You'll need to change your Google password first and then use that updated login method to access your Mailchimp account. So if the password section isn't working for you, that Google connection may be the reason. It's a common issue, and now you know exactly what to do. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your password on Mailchimp. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.